In this video, we will learn about exocrine and endocrine glands. The secretory cells may be isolated and scattered in the body, but most of them are grouped into glands. Some glands have ducts which carry their secretion either outside the body, such as sweat, milk, or saliva, or in the cavity of some organs like pancreas or liver. Such glands are called exocrine glands. Here we can see sweat gland has duct to carry the secretion. So we can say that this is exocrine gland. The ductless glands which pour their secretion directly into the blood are called endocrine glands. So here you can see these are the endocrine cells and this is blood vessel containing blood and the secretion is directly into the blood. Then let's come to a question. Why does a hormone act on its target cells only and not on other body cells? Each target cell has its receptors. These receptors are proteins of specific shape that are complementary to particular hormone. A particular hormone can bind itself to target cell only. The non-target cells cannot permit hormones to get associated and so they do not respond. The binding of hormone triggers changes in cellular activity. So here we can see these are the target cells. This is non-target cell. So we can see that target cells have the receptors that are complementary to the hormones. So the hormones bind to the receptors of the target cells, but in case of non-target cells, the receptors do not match with the specific hormones, so they do not bind together. Then human endocrine system. The principal endocrine glands in human body are hypothalamus, pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, pineal, adrenals, ovaries, testes, pancreas, gastric mucosa, and placenta. Endocrine glands act in a coordinated manner, influencing and controlling their proper functioning. The control is carried out by feedback mechanism. So feedback mechanism is the process by which the end product or the hormone conveys secretory glands the message for more secretion or less secretion. If the end product asks for more secretion, then it is called positive feedback, and if the end product asks for no more secretion, this is called negative feedback. Let's see in the diagram location of endocrine glands in humans, first in male, then in female. In case of male, this is thyroid gland, this is thymus, then this is pituitary, then these are the adrenal glands, this is pancreas, this is testis that is present only in male. In case of female also other glands will look same like pituitary gland, then here thyroid, then thymus, then these adrenal glands, this is pancreas, but there will be ovary that will be present in female only. Then we will see in the table list of endocrine glands and their location. If we see pituitary and hypothalamus, they are on the undersurface of brain. Then if we see thyroid, then they are on either side of trachea, that means in the neck region. Then parathyroid is one on every outer corner of thyroid, that means in the neck region, and 4 in number. Then thymus in the upper chest region on the sides of trachea. Then adrenals, one on top of each kidney, that means in the abdomen, 2 in number. Ovaries in female only, in the lower abdominal region, 1 pair, and testes in male only, in the scrotal sac, extra abdominal, that is outside the abdomen, 1 pair. Then heterocrine glands, that means partly endocrine and partly exocrine glands. So that means they secrete enzymes as well as hormones. Pancreas, along the lower margin of stomach in the abdomen, gastric mucosa in the stomach wall, and placenta, this is in the uterus of female, and this is developed only during pregnancy. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.